Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to create a sidebar navigation in Wix Studio. Perfect for modern, easy to navigate websites in 2025. Start by opening your Wix Studio editor and selecting the project you want to end. Once the left panel, click Add Elements, then choose Menus and Anchors. Select Vertical Menu and drag it onto the side of your page. This will become your sidebar navigation. Resize and position it where you want to appear. Now, click the Manage menu option to edit the links. You can rename, reorder, or connect each item to different pages or sections of your site. To make it stand out, customize the design. Adjust colors, fonts, hover effects, or add icons beside each label. If you want it visible across all pages, pin it by selecting Show on All Pages. And that's how to create a sidebar navigation in Wix Studio. Clean, functional, and ready to upgrade your 2025 website.